Brand new Range Rover, in for the StarLine Eclipse security system. Here's a little demo of some of the security layers and features. First layer is the StarLine Key Guard. No tag, no entry. Key disabled, no keyless entry, no start. This stops key cloning and relay attacks. Now with the tag in range, the key is fully functional. The car's central locking is now fully operational, and keyless entry now working. Next layer, if somehow they gain entry, even with the key present, the system blocks the key signal inside the car, stopping ignition coming on. Start button totally disabled. Next layer is starting block. Vehicle will not start. Ignition comes on and just shuts itself off. Watch as I try and start the car. Totally immobilized. Fourth layer. If they manage to get your car started, here's where it gets interesting. Soon as they try and select a gear, engine switches off, killing the engine, starting the alarm countdown. If they try a second time, then it will go straight to alarm, sends the SMS and calls your phone. The only way to start the car is to introduce your tag or enter a PIN code. I will now enter the code to disarm the alarm and start the car. Car now selects gear and drives. Now I will alarm the car and show heart attack by breaking into the car by opening a door. The alarm triggers and calls your phone, as well as text messages and push notifications. Blue flashing LED light shows vehicles armed. Another great layer is PIN to drive validation. No PIN, no drive. You can start the car as long as tag present, but solid blue light represents car immobilized. If you select gear, it kills car. Simply enter your PIN code before driving off. The light gives to flashes and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. For more info of full features, which includes GPS tracking, driver ID tags, anti-hijack, shock, tilt, and motion sensors, call alerts, text messages, push notifications, full app control, and much more, call us on number below.